WorkRite Model 4000. So right now, the wood that I'm about to glue up is 72 degrees. I don't know if you can read that, but it's about 72 degrees. Now, this is not the ideal material to use. We've got this board down as an insulator off the metal here because we don't want it to arc on the metal. This will penetrate up to 2.5 inches, and I am just gonna do a horrible job here just to show. So we're just gonna take, look at that, that's really bad. And I'm just gonna take and just swirl it around here. I'm gonna cross the grain real fast so you can see again. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the handheld from up here, push it down, and now we wait. I'm gonna give this about a minute. Hang that handheld back up real quick. Let's see what we got now. Right now we are, as you can see, the surface temperature. Just a second, it is calibrating. We are at about 141 degrees. You can see the two hot spots on the end. And if we pick this up, that's it. Mind you, this is a higher moisture content. I mean, obviously you want your moisture content to be around 6-7%, and I can guarantee that these 2x4s are not 6 or 7%. And then I crossed the grain, didn't clean it, didn't sand it, so it's still, I mean, you can see it's just not flat, and as you can see, it worked pretty good. WorkRite Model 4000 wood welder. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.